Form 8606 is how you tell the IRS that you made a non-deductible contribution to a traditional IRA. When your income is too high to deduct your IRA contribution, you file this form to track your basis, meaning the after-tax dollars you put in. Tracking your basis matters because when you eventually take distributions, you will not pay tax again on money you already paid taxes on. Enter your name and Social Security number at the top, exactly as they appear on your Form 1040. In Part 1, Line 1 is for your non-deductible IRA contribution made for this tax year. Line 2 is your total basis carried forward from prior years. If this is your first year filing Form 8606, enter 0 on Line 2. The IRS uses these two numbers to calculate your cumulative basis, which you will report again every future year until you withdraw the funds. Attach Form 8606 to your Form 1040 each year you make a non-deductible contribution or take a distribution. Keep every prior year's copy so you can accurately report your running basis. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.